So there are times where, many times for me, when I need to be surrounded by everything that has little intervention by humans. No, just natural noises. You can hear the waterfalls in the background. This reminds me of, actually, this beautiful boulder behind me invited me to stop here. Before even entering into this wonderful place, you have to ask permission. Is it okay for me to enter? It's a practice and a tradition that I do as a druid, but I was also taught that act of asking permission from the Hawaiian lineage that I base my foundations of all spirituality on. It's basically knocking someone's front door before you're invited in. It's a politeness, it's respect. It's also for your own protection. You have to become in tune with what you are doing when you're entering a place, especially wonderful places like forests and land in general. So before I entered into this place, this wonderful rainforest, that I'm climbing higher and higher into the treetops, I personally recited a chant that I created and worked with my teacher in Wales, in the Cymraeg, in the Welsh language. It's an old language. It's a very, very old language. And so I wanted to connect to my blood and bone ancestry. I also wanted to connect to an old language that all of these ancestors would understand and appreciate my attempt. If only in your own language, you just ask for permission to enter and then be quiet. You'll know whether entry is allowed or not. All of this we learn in the online course.